The sway bar, red arrow, attaches to the cross member by two mounts, blue arrows, and the drop links on each wheel carrier, green arrows. If you are just replacing the bushings, you do not need to disconnect the drop links. The drop links connect the sway bar, blue arrow, to the wheel carrier, red arrow. They assist in controlling body roll in the vehicle, and when they wear out, they can produce slop in the suspension. Use a T30 torque to prevent the threaded link from turning and a 16mm wrench to remove the old collared nut. This nut is single-use only, and Porsche recommends replacing it every time it has been torqued. It is a really good time to check the condition of your links and replace them as needed. Use a 13mm socket and loosen the mount for the sway bar. It is a tight fit on the left side lower bracket hardware. It's a really good idea to support the sway bar before removing the bracket, and certainly before you remove the opposite side. The bar will swing and drop when you remove the opposite side, and it can chip the powder coating and damage the bar. If you are just replacing the bushings, do not disconnect the drop links and let the bar hang by them as shown. You can now remove the bushings from the mount and replace them. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque the 13mm bolts to 23 Nm or 17 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.